Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I got Enzo here today. We are gonna make this little Valentine's decor, like a centerpiece for the table. Oh, this one looks like it broke already, I'll have to glue it. We're gonna glue 4 of these together and make it a box with our E600 glue. He's real excited about this monkey. And then we're gonna put some fake roses in it, and it's gonna be a centerpiece. So let's get to it. So what we're gonna do, make sure you see where the top of your thing is to make sure you're gluing it correctly. You wanna put some glue along the edge. So we have this one. And I'm gonna glue it. I'm gonna hold it in for a few seconds to make sure it sticks. And then I repeat on this side. So again, I'm going to put the glue on this one. And hold it in. And the last one, I'm going to put on the edges. And again, I wish I had clamps, which I need to buy. So you definitely want to let this dry. The last one, I wanted to put the glue on both edges and make sure my love sign is up and place that on there. You want to allow your glue to completely dry. We're going to put the styrofoam inside. And for the bottom, you want to kind of measure it out. I use this cardboard, and I'm going to glue or tape that on the bottom so that it has a support at the bottom. Okay, so next, you want to take one of your styrofoam pieces. I wish I had the bigger ones, but this will do for now. And you're going to place that in the bottom of your box, which you have the cardboard in. You cut it out. And then some of these flowers. So here's my finished product. I hope you liked this video. Please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Turn on notifications so you can see my next video. Thank you and have a great day.